Hello and welcome to Top Quotes channel. Let's dive in and find out the secrets behind Elon Musk's success. Elon Musk is one of the most successful entrepreneurs of our time. He is known for his innovative ideas and the creation of some of the most disruptive companies in the world, including Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. Despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks throughout his career, Musk has been able to achieve incredible success. In this video, we will explore some of the success secrets of Elon Musk. Number 1. Vision and passion. Musk is known for having a clear and ambitious vision for his companies and for being passionate about his work. He is not afraid to take risks and is willing to work tirelessly to achieve his goals. This passion and drive have enabled him to overcome many obstacles and create groundbreaking innovations. Number 2. Perseverance. Elon Musk is no stranger to failure. His companies have faced numerous setbacks and challenges, including failed launches, production delays, and financial struggles. However, Musk has shown incredible perseverance throughout his career. He does not give up easily and is always willing to pivot and adapt when necessary. This resilience has been instrumental in his success. Number 3. Focus on innovation. Elon Musk is known for his innovative ideas. He has a knack for identifying problems and coming up with creative solutions. Musk is not afraid to think outside the box and take risks in pursuit of innovation. This focus on innovation has enabled him to create some of the most revolutionary products and services in the world. Number 4. High standards. Elon Musk is known for having high standards for himself and his companies. He expects nothing but the best from his team and is not afraid to push them to achieve their full potential. This focus on excellence has enabled Musk to create products and services that are not only groundbreaking but also of the highest quality. Number 5. Strong work ethic. Elon Musk is known for working incredibly long hours. He is known to work up to 100 hours a week, dedicating himself fully to his work. Musk is not one to take shortcuts or slack off, and he expects the same level of dedication from his team. This strong work ethic has been instrumental in his success. Number 6. Risk-taking. Elon Musk is not afraid to take risks. He is willing to invest large amounts of money and time into his ventures, even when the odds are against him. This willingness to take risks has paid off for Musk, enabling him to create some of the most successful companies in the world. Number 7. Continuous learning. Elon Musk is a lifelong learner. He is always seeking out new information and knowledge to improve himself and his companies. Musk is known for reading extensively and studying the industries in which he operates. This focus on continuous learning has enabled him to stay ahead of the curve and create cutting-edge products and services. These success secrets have enabled Musk to create some of the most disruptive companies in the world and have made him a role model for aspiring entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching.